Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna show to you how to connect your domain on Wix. So basically what you have to do in order to connect a custom domain, you'll have to upgrade to a paid plan. So you'll have to simply go on and then you'll have to simply click on upgrade here in at the top of the screen of the website, and basically you'll have to choose any of the available plans depending on what you want to use this for. So as you can see here, for the cheapest one, which is this one here, 11 euros per month, as you can see, you get a free domain for 1 year, and you can get one for each one of these. So you'll have to simply select it and upgrade to a paid plan, and after that you'll have to simply go to setup, and as you can see here you have connect a custom domain. So you'll have to enter your own domain, and after that simply click on let's go, and that should redirect you to another page where you'll have to simply follow all the instructions. So as you can see, you have to simply connect it, so they're gonna see if it's available or not, and basically you'll have to simply click on let's go. And as you can see, if you own this, you'll have to simply select I own this, and you'll have to simply upgrade, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.